What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to tell you why if you are a custom furniture maker and you are not selling chairs with your tables that you make, you're making a grave mistake, and I'm going to tell you why in this video. Let's dive in. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the show. As always, I'm so grateful for you. I hope that you're crushing it in the beginning of 2023. I want to give you some information today around why you should be selling chairs if you're not as a custom furniture maker, okay? First of all, I hate making chairs. Okay, so I want to start by saying that I remember right when I started my business back in 2017, I got an order for like 6 or 8 bar stools, and I made these bar stools by hand. They were awful. It was awful making them, and then they were absolute turds. Like, they were made so poorly. I think the customer didn't even want them. They were so bad. So I learned right out of the gate, number one, I didn't have as many woodworking skills back in the day. I've gotten a little bit better since then, but chairs are just really complicated to make. But the reason I want to talk to you today about why you need to be selling them is because there are multiple benefits to selling chairs with your tables. So if you're just selling tables, you should really consider offering chairs as well. Okay, so the number one reason that you should start selling chairs as a custom furniture maker is because it increases the average order value inside of your business. So what is the average order value? You take all of your orders and all of your revenue and you divide your revenue by the number of orders that you have. That's going to give you your average order value. So let's say right now you've made $100,000 in your business and you have sold 50 tables for $2,000 a piece. So you've sold 50 tables, $2,000 a piece, you've made $100,000. Well, that means that your average order value is $2,000, okay? Well, by adding chairs to your product offering, you're gonna be selling a lot of table sets together. Well, now that order that was $2,000 because it was just a table is now $3,500 or $3,800, depending upon how expensive your chairs are, but you've increased your average order value dramatically. The kicker here is that typically your margins on chairs aren't gonna be as good as your margins on tables and benches are, but it is gonna increase your overall income volume. It's gonna increase your overall revenue. A little side note here, I would not make or manufacture my own chairs unless you have really high-end clientele and you can charge $800 to $1,200 per chair at least, okay? What I've found to work the best for my business is that I purchase chairs from a wholesaler, okay? So I buy unfinished wooden chairs and I finish those chairs to match out the tables that I build custom for my clients. The last benefit I want to tell you about of selling chairs with your custom furniture, your custom tables, is because it allows you to become a one-stop shop for your clients. Listen, your clients want everything to match. They want everything to look good together. They want everything to be cohesive. When they order a table from you, they now feel the stress of having to go try to find chairs somewhere else that match the table. That's a big challenge, but you can match it all in-house and they can order it all from you. You're most likely going to get that order most of the time. By doing this, I promise you, you're going to increase the overall revenue of your business by 30 to 40, 50, 60% by offering chairs if you're not currently doing that. Again, your margins aren't going to be as great, but you are going to be profitable and make a lot of money on those chairs. If this has been helpful for you, let me know in the comments below. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure to do that. I have tons of incredible resources for you below with the links, free ebook, $47 per month course to get you to $15,000 a month, and then a direct link to connect with me if you're trying to scale to $20, $30, $40, $50,000 per month inside of your own custom woodworking business. So with that being said, love you guys, appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one.